Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. I want to bring you a little bonus tip here of this model that isn't quite working for me. I'm going to jump right into it. In Layout View, I can update the view, and the layout works fine. But as soon as I open this camera view, it blinks quickly. I don't know if you saw that there. It blinks quickly with the model, and then it's blank. I can click on and select the wall, select the roof plane. I can select this wall, I can select that wall, this window even. I can select the roof plane that's on the back, but it's just not quite working properly. I'm going to tile these views here. Let's go like this, and if I zoom in and out of the elevation, that doesn't change it. If I go into plan view and move the camera, it once again it blinks, but then it's gone again. If I copy the camera, and let's open that, they both blink and it's blank again, so I'm going to close this elevation. I don't want that. Yes, I'm going to delete that camera. So what I'm going to do is start a new camera. Notice every time I rebuild something, even if I go into here and rebuild the 3D, it blinks and it goes blank. So I'm just going to go into my selection tool. I clicked the space bar, selected all of those objects, text, lines, etc. I'm going to Control C and go to my new elevation and Control Alt V. And now I've got a elevation that works for me. I'm kind of baffled as to what happened with this. None of the other elevations in this model are doing that. There's the front elevation. Notice this side elevation blinked again. Rear elevation. That side elevation did not blink. And notice this new side elevation didn't blink either. It's not going away anyway. So let's just pull this down here. This is the blank. I'm going to call this. Go over here and send this to layout and just see what it does. Yep, the camera quickly blinked and then it went blank again. Okay, so that's how it's going to have to work. I'm not sure what's going on, but I got it fixed so that now I can move this, set the notes where they need to be going. Otherwise, I was kind of shooting in the dark. Hope that's helpful. I'm going to submit it to tech support. Any of you have this issue? Let me know. Send it in to tech support. I'll catch you later. Take care.